Hi everyone! So in today's tutorial I will teach you how to create a navigation bar with navigation items with a logo and call to action button using only HTML and CSS. I created a new page. Let's save it as HTML document. So it will be index.html and we're just going here. So I saved this one and let's create our CSS file. New
save as style.css.
Yeah, for the brackets I use this plugin that is really nice. So to start up, it sets up like everything you need. So it just like puts all the tags that you might need right there. Insert HTML elements. Basic HTML skeleton. Done. Ta-da! Our navigation bar will go to our body, and within our body we'll have the header that will stay on top of each page. So we type in header. You also love brackets, it closes the tag automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. Header. So then we'll have an image. So in our navigation we'll have an image which is logo, some like navigation labels that will bring to the pages, and call to action button. So let's just put that in.
So image class logo source.
I already uploaded like a placeholder logo that I took from FreePic website. I'll leave the link below. I steal images from there all the time. And our logo, well, usually logos are linked to the homepage, so we'll have a link. It will be blank for now. And yeah, it closes the tag automatically after the opened one, so we'll just bring it back here. Okay, so now we're doing the part of like actual navigation. So it's a nav tag. So within the navigation we have unordered list, which is UL for unordered list. And within unordered list we have a list, and for each list will have a link with the text. About yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's just copy, do like this, so it's not that long, and let's copy it like 3 times.
So about services and I don't know, products.
And we'll create a call to action button. It's going to be outside of our navigation bar. So yeah, so we basically, in our navigation line, we have the logo, the navigation itself, and call to action button. So call to action button will also have a link
to somewhere. And button.
So yeah, basically our logo is white and really big right now, so we'll need to shrink it in size and we'll see the rest of the content. But right now let's link our HTML to our CSS. So in the head we'll just add link. Let's not, yeah, style shift.
should work.
Now, so for CSS, let's reduce our logo for now.
Logo with 80 pixels. Yeah.
Now we can see all the content there. So the logo is white, so it's over here. We have our 3 navigation labels in our navigation bar. We have call to action button, which everything has a default styling right now, and everything is aligned to the left. Okay, let's start from the background and then we'll move to the header. So HTML heights, let's do 100 VH. Background image, yeah, I'm too lazy to type. I already have my link prepared because I do prepare a lot for this tutorials. Yeah, so I inserted the link. I put background repeat, no repeat, so image doesn't repeat itself, and background size cover, so it covers the whole background. The header, so if you remember, the header is the entire thing, but including the logo and including the call to action button. So header will have display flex. So as you can see, it put everything in one horizontal line. Yeah, and now to make them all aligned, I'll write justify content space between, so it spreads everything evenly. And to make everything on one line, I'll align elements, align items, center. Yes, save. Now let's go to designing the navigation. So because the elements, like the bigger elements within the header, they're already aligned, and now we need to do kind of same thing with the navigation, which is within the header. So we have our nav. Let's do maximum. Let's set maximum width to 940 pixels. So when it's like on really big screen, it doesn't like move too much to the sides. Yeah, margin 0 auto, and padding also 0, so we can reset everything. So now navigation, unordered list, our list itself. So text align center. In our navigation, in our unordered list, each listed item, display inline block. Yay! And now within the navigation unordered list listed item, each link. So now we design each link. So each link will have a padding of, let's say, 18 pixels. So it has some space around. We haven't installed the fonts, so let's keep that for a second. Color RGB. Let's do white with some transparency. And I did something wrong. No, I didn't. Yeah, everything's great. Text transform. Text transform uppercase because I want that. And text decoration. So to get rid of this white annoying underline, text decoration none, and yeah, display block just in case. Let's head to Google Fonts and download some fonts from Google to install to use for our navigation. I usually use Roboto. Let's select this font type. So when you select the font that you like, go to import and just select this part. So select this part. We'll put in our head in HTML and use this bit to insert in our CSS code. Let's see. Yeah, it worked. The call to action button we need to design separately. Let's also do this for hover. So when we hover, we want the color to go a little bit even more transparent, I guess. So to indicate that you hovered it. Yeah. And transition duration. Let's add transition duration 0.3 seconds. Let's save and see. Yeah, that looks much more smooth. Yeah, so now we need to design our button that looks ugly as hell. Let's do button. Okay, so for our button, let's give it some padding, 10 pixels and 30 pixels. So 10 pixels is for top and bottom, and 30 pixels for the sides.
Border none, but border radius, let's do 100 pixels because I want it round.
So same thing we'll do, like for the text in our button, we'll just copy it from our text from the navigation. Let's do the gradient background
linear, gradient. Okay, I already prepared the gradient, so I'll just copy it from my thing because I'm too lazy to just retype it again.
Yeah, and let's style our button when we hover. Cursor pointer, because for some reason it doesn't have the pointer thing. Now it does. And for the background, I want to also become more transparent when we hover over. So I'll just reduce the transparency over here to 0.1. Let's see, yeah. And transition duration. Transition duration 0.3 seconds. Yeah, that's it. That's how easy it is. Yeah, feel free to ask me any questions. I reply to them all in the comment section. Please like the video. I really need your likes and I need your follows. yeah. Did I have to tell you anything else? I created a design checklist, or like a design guide. So I was just trying to summarize like the most generic basic tips that will improve a web design or an app, or basically any design that you're working on. It's useful for the developers as well. So those tips are very easy. It's literally like a checklist, what things you should focus on, like the alignment, proximity, like how to group things, how to pair fonts. Yeah, I think that's just useful to have less of ugly websites out there. Yeah, you can download it, check the link below. Yeah, enjoy. And please give some love to this video and see you soon.